It's a crawl space plumbing inspection on Myers. So I snaked this out. When you run a sink, it gurgles in the tub. The tub don't go down. I snaked it from here, and I tried different size cutters. I used the rigid K50. Tried several different cutters. I couldn't get through it. I see somebody had done some repairs. I don't know. It's like a remodel in here, so I don't know. They might have repaired it when the floor was pulled out or something. Because the stuff looks new. That looks new. That stuff looks new. Problem is, there's a heat duct right there. So, yeah, I didn't do any of this stuff. I just came here for the clogged drain, but I don't know what's going on in the crawl space, but the heat ducts are all running under there, so it's gonna be hard to get to. I'm guessing all that goes under here. That's where I have to get to right here. It's gonna be hard to get under there. Already tried once. I didn't have a shovel, so I grabbed a shovel. I'm gonna go back. There's a heat duct that's way too low right there. I'm gonna have to hit this spot. I got some goodies to bring in there. Maybe I can cut something out and replace it and make it work. And I have to crawl back out to get stuff. Ew. This must be for those really cold days. I guess I'll help to get some coveralls. It's really dusty in there too, so I got a face mask. That's back pitched. What are you gonna do? Vicks. headed back onto that path. I'm gonna try this one. I scoot some of this on here. See what this does. Alright, opening up now. Oh, I thought that was a bomb. Starting to get scared. Tub drain is done in all glue PVC. That trap is all glued together. It's nice and strong, so yeah, they're good. They can snake that up there with no problem. But on the overflow, they have the overflow is all glued with the centerpiece that holds the overflow cap on there. There's a bolt, a nut there to thread into, so you can't get a snake in it. They put the wrong crummy kind of overflow on it. You can't get a snake in there, so even though it's all glue and all that, I mean, you could probably fit a little drum machine in there. You'd have to do that. Let's see if I can figure out why it's not draining. It's gotta be this line right here. Just want to go through it. All they had to do is go another 2 feet. Golly, boys. At least they used a Y on here so the snake goes downstream. And if they would have put a T here and you try to make the sink, it would have hit the T and maybe go back up into the tub. So they did the right thing there, but man, this rust is just so hard on you, I can't get through it. Yeah, that's all rust. All I had to do is that little bit. See, that's what I'm talking about. You can only fit a small snake in there, like those little drill type, you know, little drum that's on a drill. You couldn't fit a big one in there like the Rigid K50. They got the bolt hole right in the center, so you can't get a big cutter in it. Really snake that out good. I like to put in these Watcos, or this, you know, something with this style, because it's got a, well, this is a test, this is for putting a pressure test on there. I'm gonna flood the system with smoke. You're gonna flood the system with smoke or water to make sure it doesn't leak. That's what that's for, but see, it's just, it's got a big opening. You put a big drain in there, and then the overflow chrome cap there just pops right on. Pop. So you don't have that bolt hole in the center that blocks you from putting a good snake in there. Plus, this one here's got a big nut on there that tightens up on it and really holds it on good. Even when you pull the cap off, this part's really secure on the tub. This one here, when you pull that out of there, that's the only thing holding that thing on. So if you did shove a snake in there, it'd be wobbling around back there behind the wall and, you know, down in the crawl space a little bit up until it hits here. And that's just not good. This one's got this big nut right here that goes on the outside of the tub and holds onto this, and then it's got that plate in the back that holds it on the back side of the tub, so it really holds that on there good. So I won't be afraid to snake this one.